A strong tornado warning for the states of Colorado, Kansas and Oklahoma until tomorrow at 6 p.m. The following area are as follows: Costilla, Colorado; Cuervano, Colorado; Pueblo, Colorado; Las Amanas, Colorado; Otero, Colorado; Bend, Colorado; Baca, Colorado; Hamilton, Kansas; Stanton, Kansas; Morton, Kansas; Grant, Kansas; Stevens, Kansas; Haskell, Kansas; Seward, Kansas; Cimarron, Oklahoma; and Texas, Oklahoma. Citizens who live in the listed counties must shelter now. Several objects will be flown everywhere. Bring necessary supplies: food, water, possibly medical supplies, clothing and a battery-powered radio. If you cannot find shelter, go to a nearby ditch or rural area. This concludes the emergency alert notification. Good luck.